Okay, so a quick lesson today on one of the situations that will come up a lot. I just want to go through this. The diagram that I'm going to draw right now is a diagram for a linear pair. All right. So when I ask a question, or give a problem, sketch a linear pair. This is exactly what I want to see you do. Okay. You'll draw a line, which is the linear part, and put a dot there. Okay. Now, this is a straight angle. Okay. So angle ABC is a straight angle. And we know its measure is 180. That's how we write measure of angle. And then the angle symbol and ABC. Okay? So if we go here to here, that's a straight angle. Now, to make our linear pair, we kind of do the same setup, except now, so we've got a straight angle, and we're just going to end up building this ray here. So this setup, this picture right here, is exactly what I want to see when I ask for a sketch of a linear pair. Okay, so that'll take care of one of the quiz questions. It'll be that simple. These two angles, if you put them together, right, that's going to make a straight angle. So angle ABD, and angle, doesn't matter which order we go, let's go DBC, are a linear pair. So that's what we want to make sure we understand there. Okay? All right. Okay, continuing on from the linear pair. Okay? What we will say is linear pair, they are supplementary. Now, supplementary, okay, if we want to define that for a second, supplementary are angles whose measures add to 180. So, one instance of supplementary angles would be something like this, okay, where we have a 135-degree angle right here and a 45-degree angle there. They are linear. That is a linear pair setup. They are also supplementary. Okay, so those two angles are supplementary because 135 plus 45 is 180. So that's what we're going to be looking at right now. Okay, so that's just a statement there. Linear pairs are supplementary. Supplementary angles add up to 180. Supplementary angles have measures that add to 180 degrees. Okay, next. Now, what we're really going to get into all year, I mean, this problem will come up in a more complex situation all year. So we really got to lock this down. What we're going to look at next is just to solve a quick, easy one. Okay, so if I put a 127-degree angle there, and we're looking for x, what I'd like you to do to solve for x, right? I know many of you are probably just going to do 180 minus 127, and that works. I'd like to see us set it up the right way so that we can do more difficult problems in the same manner. So you take these two angles and you simply add them together, and what it'll equal is 180. Now we have to solve for x, so we're going to subtract 127 from both sides. Notice that that's exactly what most of you would have done originally. So why do I have to write it like that is probably going to be your complaint. So here's what will happen. This will be a more common type of problem. Okay, now this is confusing the way they're going to write it. They're going to put 2x plus 9 in parentheses and put degrees outside. That just means it's an angle measure, and technically that's the way we should write it. We won't always, but that's how we should write it. That represents this acute angle right here. This one is 6x plus 11 degrees, and we're still trying to solve for x. Okay. Now, for those that wanted to just subtract 180 minus the angle, like it, over here, I get it. You want to subtract and get the answer quickly and easily out of your calculator. That won't work in this case. So that's why I try to teach it this way is, okay, you're adding the two angles to equal 180. Because now you can transfer that to a more complex problem. You're going to add those two angles, add those two angle measures up to set them equal to 180. And now from here, it's algebra skill. Okay, we're going to combine like terms, right? So those, 6x and 2x we know is 8x. Okay, the plus 11 and plus 9 makes plus 20. We're trying to get at x, so inverse operation, right? 8x equals 160 and divide by 8. Okay, x equals 20. We just wanted x. Sometimes we'll have to plug back in and find out what the angles are, but that's good enough for now. So this situation comes up a lot in the first chapter, okay? Draw the linear pair. Linear pairs are supplementary always, and how to solve a problem where a linear pair is used. Thanks so much, and we'll get to vertical angles next.